Here's a step-by-step guide to foreign qualifying your business entity in another state and what to do once you're qualified. Step 1. Determine if foreign qualification is required. The trigger is doing business in a state, which each state defines slightly differently. Generally, it includes having employees or contractors in the state, maintaining an office, warehouse, or physical location, regularly conducting sales or service in the state, holding real estate or personal property in the state. Remote work creates nexus considerations worth reviewing specifically. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent in the foreign state. This is mandatory. The registered agent must have a physical street address in the state and be available during business hours to receive service of process. Registered agent services are available in every state for annual fees, typically ranging from $50 to $300. Step 3. File the foreign qualification application. Each state has its own form, usually called an application for certificate of authority or similar. You'll need your entity's name and formation state, your home state certificate of good standing, issued within a specified recent window, often 90 days, your registered agent's information, basic entity details, and the signature of an authorized person. State filing fees vary from around $50 to several $100s. Step 4. Register for state taxes. Foreign qualification authorizes you to do business, but doesn't automatically register you for income tax, sales tax, or payroll tax. Each requires a separate registration. Step 5. Maintain compliance. File annual reports, pay annual fees, maintain your registered agent, and keep your home state entity in good standing since foreign qualification depends on it. Step 6. Withdraw when no longer operating. If you stop doing business in a state, file a withdrawal or cancellation of foreign qualification to stop accruing fees and compliance obligations. Subscribe for ongoing guidance on managing multi-state business compliance.